Today we're going to Mexico, all right? And we're gonna race this car right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's my Integra. Let me turn the camera around and then I'll give you guys a close-up of it. All right, here we have it. We're letting it warm up. This is my 96 Acura Integra. Just a quick basic summary of it. It's H2B. It's not actually H2B, I lied. It's F2B, it has a F20B with K20 pistons in it. It runs anywhere from 10 to 20 pounds of boost, wherever I want to set it at. I'd say it might make 420 horsepower max, but today we're going to be running around 300 horsepower, just to have a little fun. We're going to be driving about 3.5 hours to get to Mexico from here today. We're running on some street tires. And this is it. She's got fresh paint. Working on getting the front end painted because I had to order some new bumpers and stuff, but let's not get too far into details here. Alright, here we are. We're just give you guys a little preview of it. Taking off here. Just driving with one hand, so pulls up pretty decent. Got our gauges here and radio and whatnot. But yeah, I'll give you an update when we're along the way of the ride. Like I said, it's about a 3.5 hour drive, and that's about how far we gotta go. So I'll update you along the way, and then we'll see some street racing in the end. Just cruising. Just cruising. Oh, buddy, big old dip. Obviously won't be driving. You guys, want to show you this because we're at the river. We're crossing the river right now, guys. Straight into Mexico, baby. Oh man, who did those burnout marks? Wild animals. Jeez. Beautiful, beautiful. Got a little pull for you guys. Buddy. Alright guys, we just stopped off real quick to get a good old Bartle skeet and then check my fitting because I'm afraid it might be leaking, but it was already leaking before, but I just want to make sure it's not going crazy. There's a little smoke from up there. Oh yeah, that's actually leaking alright, that's for sure. You can see that. There's even a drop on the ground right there. Hard to see it, but that's alright. Nothing crazy, so I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on chugging. We're almost there. Not quite. Right up here you'll see some famous burnout marks of mine. Right here. On the side of the road. Bop, 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 bop. Pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, we're in Mexico right now. We just crossed over, in case anyone was wondering. Baby, holy fuck. Holy smokes. Look at that windshield. Holy cow, that thing is filthy. gonna have to stop somewhere and clean that, but we are about halfway there. We're about halfway there. We still haven't cleaned the windshield. I think I'll stop right now and clean the windshield. It's getting pretty bad. It's getting pretty bad. Let's stop and see if we can't clean this windshield real quick. On the road, we got like a halfway clean windshield. Alright, that side's dirty, but this side's clean. We're gonna try to take off in second. Hey, it likes it. We arrived at a little over halfway point. Got Joe's car here. I don't know what Joe's doing. He's about to, what are you gonna do, Joe?
Put this pressure washer away, boy.
That's what he's doing. I'm over here trying to change this fitting that I got. I'm gonna put this new one on there, and hopefully that will help me out there. Anyways, Cody over here. This is Joe's Prelude.
It's alright.
White trash racing, baby. Cody over here is walking around because he can't find anything. He just got done doing the valve adjustment because it's a race car. How much horsepower did this thing make last time on the dyno? 500?
550.
550 all motor. It's kind of a monster, honestly.
Fucking race car, dude. Get it first or last.
Shit's fresh. He don't have no gauges cause YOLO. It was like a 3-hour drive. I checked it on the fucking the GPS. It's 30 minutes from here?
Yeah, it's like going to Parker.
Damn, no way.
For real. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be...
Maybe going like 150.
Nah, because it's like doing like 80 the whole way there pretty much.
I ain't gonna be going 80.
The speed limit's like 75. Fuck it.
I guess I'll meet you guys there.
Yeah, we don't drive that fast.
I guess that's what happens when you're on probation, huh?
I guess that's what happens when you drive a fucking Prelude.
True. Slow? I'm just kidding.
Yeah, what you
Let me see, I'll fucking grab it.
No, you won't, dude. I'm telling you, bro. When you touch this, dude,
Put it in that hole.
alright, touch it. I dare you, bro. Yeah, your looking balls just shriveled up, huh? I just swear.
Not as bad as the other day when I touched that fucking wrench.
Dude, these things are so
I got a blister for that shit.
I need like a paper towel. I have some.
Fuck, dude. Are we changing this thing today or not?
Watch out.
Hey, at least I got that fitting, dude. Thank God. Hey, do you have any pipe thread tape?
Nah, Nicky. All my shit's at work.
Bro, you just...
Not the paint job.
Nigga.
He is mad.
He did put a little
notch in
it.
He'll never notice it.
Yeah, he will never notice it.
Have you seen the rest of the car, bro?
You know what I didn't think about is this thing doesn't have a restrictor in it. Ooh, I wonder if that's gonna cause it to spill.
Better put it back on.
That gasket look good or what?
Yeah.
I think we'll just reuse
Looks
that.
solid to me.
Looks good to me.
See, I wanted to get something that could screw down into that hole. You know what I mean? Alright.
Maybe I should do my other valve cover like that instead of painting it red.
Yeah, that one's way bigger, Nick.
Like my old one?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. For the blowhole size. Shit, dude, those motherfuckers hot, dude.
That's why I said weight torque on this thing.
I licked my fingers.
Yeah, I heard it going.
It worked pretty good.
And then right after that, we ended up with that nick in my paint job.
Yep.
Fucking nicks, dude. That's a pain in the ass.
It's alright, bro. Think about how many nicks you put in my car off-roading it and shit.
Backward donuts and shit.
That was a Ford.
Yeah, you only did that in the court apparently.
Yeah, that we know of.
Yeah, right?
It's Nick. He probably wanted to call us, dude, I just went up this sand dune backwards, bro. It's fucking sick.
I don't know if I ever offered you that. I think I did. I'm pretty sure.
If you owned
that one
it.
looks so much better. It looks like a lot more of a better quality one. Like the other one, it looked like it was eBay. Ow. thing is so hot, dude. It's like about 900 degrees. That's not even an exaggeration.
What time is it?
7:35.
All right, that's tight.
Yeah,
I just gotta put the line on. I'm out to use the right tool, but
definitely not the right tool.
not tonight.
But
Hey, if it works, it's not a stupid idea, right?
you better bring your old one with you too, just in case.
Nah, this one's gonna be 10 times better than that. I'm going with piece of shit, dude. I'm not worried. Let's make sure that this thing's stuck. Trying to get that aluminum over there.
This fool's crying around about that little nick that I put in his fucking shit right now, and when he let a dog jump on his hood and fucking...
I let a dog jump on my hair. That was amazing.
Well, you did punch the shit out of it.
I punched the shit out of it, but I did not let the
And threw your
dog.
phone at it.
Yeah, where the fuck did you throw your phone at it?
It's right next to the punch marks.
It's in between the punch marks.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it is.
I know.
See what happens when you hang out with Nick. You get punch marks in your car.
Put the layer in. I got a zip tie holding it. Just gotta kind of finesse it like I do women. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
That's a joke.
What do you gotta say about that, Joe?
I ain't saying it's not true.
Straight.
I don't recall.
I plead the fifth.
Alright. Almost. I like the way this one looks a lot better. It like puts it in a better position.
We're gonna be driving. Next thing you know, we're gonna see Nick turn on his hazard lights and pull over.
What hazard lights? He's only got 2 headlights on one side. Still.
Like a fucking jackass, I know.
I'm gonna have to ride between you guys so the cops can't pull me over. Oh, I ain't getting pulled over for your ass. You better fucking floor that shit.
Right?
I'll sit there and do the speed limit because I know I can't do fast enough.
Honestly, I'm like one of those friends. If like I see one of my friends get pulled over, I gotta stop with them. Yeah, bro, officer, like.
Oh, what about when you fucking I got pulled over? You guys were doing pulls right past me.
That was a different story.
We're trying to get the officer away from you, dude.
Yeah, that didn't happen.
Your ass was in the Tata. There was no chance. Your ass got pulled over. There was no running from the cop in that.
What are you talking about? Dirt road, dog?
Got a big ass rig. He'd be like, yeah.
Shit.
Tahoe, cruising down
Got the
road
race
at,
car over there, though.
95 miles an hour.
Yeet.
Oh wait, I forgot it only tops out at 99.
Fuck you, dude.
See what happens-
95.
Fuck you, dude.
See what happens when you don't drive
Is that shit tight?
Look at that. I like the way that one puts it, dude. It puts it in such a better spot. Come on, right there. Ah,
I got some JB Weld. That shit'll never leak.
That's gonna be good now.
JB Quick, I should say. Well, I got both of them, but
Yeah, you're gonna bring
If you guys are in Park, Arizona, and you need anything, any parts or anything you break down, go to Napa and ask for Kiefer. That's the man right there. He's gonna hook you up. He's the most friendly cashier in town. All right, we're all done. We're going racing after this. So we got, where you guys going? Hold up. We got Cody. This is Cody. Everyone meet Cody.
Toretto,
This
by
is
the way.
yeah. This is Toretto actually.
Toretto.
This is Joe.
Yeah. Stay on me.
He's the owner of the Prelude. Cody's the owner of the Tegra. The one on the video, Park, Arizona Racing, boys.
Look good.
Hey, I gotta tell you guys, do not let Cody drive your car, man. This is what happens when you let Cody drive your car for like one day.
Look, it's that was my car anyway. What you mean?
I'm just kidding.
I was missing a cylinder.
Hey, the piston's still good. I think we can reuse that. We'll donate these set of pistons to the Pink Widow.
All right, so if we get 10,000 likes,
10,000 likes on this.
you can have this motor.
Yeah, anybody can have this motor if we get. Fuck it.
Enter on the chance to win a blown up fucking.
That's what happens when you let Cody drive your car.
The hole's supposed to be there.
Yeah.
We're filling up with that E85. Psych. That 91, buddy. How many horsepower again? 550? So now we're in the light. This is Cody's car. 94 Integra. Type R. Someone robbed his front end a couple years back, so we had to put that regular one on there. Joe's got the Prelude Type S. And I just got a big old piece of shit 96 LS. But it's got it's got this thing that goes so it's kind of cool, you know what I mean? We made it. Alright guys, we are almost there. We're almost to freaking Mexico, man. I'll update you when we get there. Joe is following us right behind, and then right behind him is Cody. It has been a long drive. It is 10 o'clock at night. I left my house around 5 o'clock. So it's been a 5-hour drive so far. I hope it's worth it. The car's running great. Something's going on with the boost controller. It's kind of like taking a second to turn on, I guess, or I don't even know. It's like, never seen it before, but it's lagging it when it gets into boost. But once it goes into boost, it's fine. I don't know, maybe it's the turbo. Anyways, I'll update you when we get there. We got all those cars back there. Let's see if we can get a video on this turn. Look at them all back there. Look at them, 1, 2. What is smoking all that? Turn down here like that.
Boom, right on the side of this.
We got the spot, boy. We got the spot. Oh, shit. Okay, okay. Oh, shit, boy. You said it's broken on the piston. Oh shit. That was weird. Alright, everybody fucking go get their fucking tools. Oh shit. So we're gonna race this Mustang behind us. We'll see how that goes. It's like a pretty new one. I don't know what year, but pretty new. Who's got $5 on that Mustang now? Mustang smoked me, but it's all good. I can't hook. I was pulling on him in third, but let's not talk about that. Anyways, let's look at these tires and see how bald they are. Holy shit. Yeah, they're pretty much gone. Oh my god, there's nothing left of these things. Alright guys, we're about to head out. It's kind of like a long drive back. It's about 12 o'clock at night, so I should get home about 5 in the morning. Just messing around with. Oh shit, is that Toretto? Go, go, go! Oh, leaving his ass! Okay, okay, okay. Come on, Joe, race this nigga. Oh, he's racing him! Oh, he's getting gapped! Oh! Alright, so I just rolled up to the gas station. Got Cody right there. Big Joe right here. Pop the hood and check this bad boy out. Damn, is that Toretto? Actually feels like it's running pretty cool. Something's weird, it's like it taking forever for the boost to come on. Like, I don't know what it is. Fuck yeah, I smoked the shit out of that car. BU barely? Yeah, right. Look, that fitting's not leaking at all. That's legit, dude. Joe's over here dying. He's got the red top H22, boy. Motherfucker, he just smoked a STI twin turbo. That's what it was, right? Hey, subscribe to White Trash Racing if you want to see more dumbass bullshit. Yeah, I gotta get some gas. I'm on E. That dude is sucking up all my gas. Get that shit right. White Trash Racing.
Fucking fast,
man.